Hi guys, welcome back. And if you're wondering why she's all muddy, and so is the dog. Go down. Well, see this bit here? Well, further up, Sarah fell in. She fell in, and Caroline jumped in after her. Sorry guys, we didn't get that on record. We are so disappointed we didn't get it on record because it was funny as it was. Yeah, she was screaming, but then afterwards she found it funny. Then she asked me if I'd got it on record. I was like, oh no. Trying to get it on record for you because we saw a duck with her babies.
So literally, the pond, it looks like it's all ground, but it's actually not. It's just mud floating on top of the water. So like I thought, with me being me, I thought it was ground, and I went to walk across it, but I actually sunk in it. So.
That's basically what happened.
If you think it's sad on me, comment down below if you think she should do it. Not look at me. I'm filthy.
I tried to drop my white road trip jumper filth to the dog because his leads were dirty. Because he jumped in, the leads went in and everything. So.
Oh my God, Luke! I found it! I found it!
Come on. And Sarah found the bit where she wanted to go in the first place.
If you watch my last, it's just literally done. Oh, good, it's got my reborn in.
Oh, okay, now then.
Literally, guys, this is the place where, if you watch back to our other two vlogs, I wanted to come. Because, like, I went here before.
Right, I'm just going back the trolley. So. We've had our adventures of the day. Let Caroline jump in so he washes him. Whoa.
Blue, it's my eye there for me.
There.
No, yeah. I can't do it.
Right.